Finally, today, we're unboxing a game-changing new release. Introducing the GMKtec AD-GP1 eGPU dock. A buck-sized box. But could it really pack a full-power GPU? I couldn't believe it. Let's dive in and check it out. Inside the box, warranty card, 240W power adapter, Oculink cable, Type-C cable, crafted from CNC aluminum alloy. The AD-GP1 is durable and impact-resistant. Built-in AMD Radeon RX 7600M XT, Navi 33, RDNA 3 architecture, 8GB GDDR6 RAM, delivering performance on par with the GTX 4060. Compact size, yet powerful performance right in your hands. 3 mark scores up to around 9600. Side ports include 2x DP 2.0, 2x HDMI 2.1, 1x Oculink, 1x Type-C USB 4.0, 1x DC power port. The Type-C port supports data transfer and up to 1.0 West USB PD charging, saving you from needing an extra power adapter. Oculink interface ensures full-speed transmission and auto power on when connected to a PC or laptop. No need for a separate power switch. When paired with our M7 mini PC, the gaming experience skyrockets. Games like Black Myth, Wukong run smoothly at high settings, maintaining an average FPS of 155. Perfect for 3D modeling and creative work. Seamlessly runs Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and even QQ Music all at once. DeepSeek video script generation is significantly faster with the AD-GP1 eGPU dock compared to using the M7 alone. Larger cooling fan ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping performance stable. Supports up to 4 external monitors. Perfect for multitasking and boosting productivity. GMKtec AD-GP1 is truly a powerhouse. Whether for gaming, creative work, or boosting your workstation, this eGPU dock takes your performance to the next level. Got questions? Want to share your experience? Drop a comment below, and let's discuss.